Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2017 Mazda CX-9 stock number 7043. This ran from the 7th 2016 to the 12th 2024. It's a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, 2.6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory mega tyre, left-hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left-hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right-hand taillight, right rear 19-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right-hand door mirror, right front 19-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,